What is a non-selective herbicide? Very big word. Let's break it down and make it really simple. Non-selective, it has no choice. It literally will kill everything. Whatever you apply it to, whether it's your favorite plant or a weed, it will die. It's really good for using in areas between paving, where weeds are coming up, or even an area where you might have turned the soil over before preparing a bed for planting and all the weed seeds have germinated. These are the perfect applications where you would use a non-selective herbicide. Remember folks, whatever you spray it on, it will kill. It's also important to note if the runoff touches another plant, it will also kill it. Non-selective herbicides are available in various forms. You can get the undiluted form, where you then dilute it into water. You can get a ready-to-use, which simply is the turn of the spout, and you can spray it. With any non-selective herbicide, it's really important to follow the instructions. Also, spray on a sunny, windless day. How it works is that it normally interrupts the cell pattern and development of the cells and literally makes the plants outgrow themselves. And this works very effectively. Upon spraying, within 7 to 10 days, you will see the plant simply shrivel up. Does it affect the soil or poison the soil? No. You can literally dig that dead plant into the soil and plant immediately into that same space, and your new plant will grow really happily. For those non-selective herbicides that are not in the ready-to-use, that are in the concentrate form, please follow the instructions and your dilution rates really carefully. More doesn't mean that you're going to kill the weeds quicker. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gardening tips.